Have you ever imagined King David as a galaxy uniter? Intrigued? Prepare for a legend retold in the cosmos, where vast star systems and scattered civilizations meet the courage and faith of King David, reimagined as a young, brave commander with a destiny to unite the galaxy. Welcome to this episode of Galactic Bible Stories, Chronicles of the Cosmos, where faith and the stars collide. In the glittering expanse of the Great Nebula Divide, countless colonies float among the stardust. These were once united, but after centuries of infighting and greed for rare cosmic resources, they've been left divided, vulnerable to cosmic raiders and alien threats. Enter David, a young but skilled pilot, a warrior, and above all, a daring optimist who refuses to let the galaxy remain in chaos. Born in the humble Outer Rim colony of Star Bethlehem, David was the youngest of 8 siblings. Seemingly ordinary, but chosen by the galactic prophet Samuel, who saw a warrior spirit and a heart for unity. A commander destined to inspire hope in the darkest of times. But before he becomes the galaxy's king, David's journey starts small. Growing up under the shadow of his older brothers, who fought in futile local skirmishes, he learns navigation, strategy, and resilience. One day, news breaks across the colonies. Goliath, an enormous alien warlord piloting a dreadnought-class starship, the Titan Hammer, threatens to enslave the last stronghold moons near Judaic space. The colonies despair, their soldiers frightened by this colossal invader. David sets out, armed with only a scrappy starfighter and a daring plan. For days he studies the Titan Hammer, searching for weaknesses. Faith, he whispers, can accomplish what armies fear to face. And with faith, he moves forward. As the standoff begins, larger fleet commanders mock young David. What can this boy hope to accomplish with his outdated ship and no backup? However, David, unshaken, pilots to face Goliath alone. The battle begins, and Goliath sneers as his turrets lock on the tiny fighter. But David's nimble ship evades the firepower. His strategy? To exploit the one vulnerability his studies uncovered, a small heat exhaust port. With precise targeting and calm bravery, David releases a single energy dart into the port. A brilliant explosion lights the sky as the Titan Hammer collapses into pieces, and its remains scatter into harmless astral debris. Victory ripples across the colonies. David's fearlessness inspires them, igniting a spark of unity. If one small fighter with faith can defeat the undefeatable, perhaps there is still hope for alliance. David is hailed as a hero, his name spreading across the stars. Prophecies whisper that he will unite the broken colonies into a single galactic kingdom, ruled with justice and integrity. But this is only the beginning of his tale. What can be achieved with unshakable faith? Today's story reminds us that even in the vast unknown of space, or the world you call home, courage and belief can overcome insurmountable odds.